In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for project management. Monday.com is an incredibly versatile tool designed to enhance your project management capabilities. No matter if you're coordinating a small team or managing a series of complex tasks, understanding how to navigate and employ the variety of features on this platform can dramatically improve your efficiency and effectiveness. Let's begin by navigating to the main dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a plus sign prominently displayed. This icon is your gateway to creating new tasks, boards, and projects. By clicking on the plus sign, you'll open up a range of options to either start fresh or build upon existing templates. Next, choose the Template Center from your options. The Template Center is a comprehensive resource that houses a collection of pre-designed templates, tailored for various project management needs. Each template is structured to help you streamline your project setup process, ensuring you can focus more on execution rather than building from scratch. Inside the Template Center, you'll find a search bar. Here, we want to narrow down our search to project management templates. Simply type in project management and watch as a curated list of relevant templates appears. These templates are specifically designed with project management principles in mind, providing you with a structured framework to organize tasks, track progress, and manage teams efficiently. With the templates tailored to project management now before you, browse through the options and select a template that catches your interest. Clicking on a template will provide you with a detailed preview showing how tasks are organized and giving you an insight into its specific features. Take a moment to explore these features and identify which template best meets the needs of your team or project. Once you have identified the right template, click on the Use Template button. This action will integrate the chosen template into your dashboard, allowing you to customize it further to suit your unique project requirements. Be sure to update sections with your specific tasks, deadlines, and team member assignments. As you start using this template, remember that flexibility and customization are key aspects of Monday.com. You can add new columns, adjust timelines, and invite team members to collaborate in real time. This adaptability ensures that no matter how your project evolves, your management process remains streamlined and effective. In conclusion, using Monday.com for project management is all about making use of its feature-rich environment to optimize your workflows. By leveraging templates and customizing them to your needs, you can oversee projects with clarity and precision. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. Don't forget to explore other features within Monday.com to further elevate your project management skills.